Welcome back to the channel. We've got a new gift here. A little bit of damage on the box there, but that's okay. I guess we're gonna have to live with that. As you can see, it's a Amazon Basics guitar folding A-frame stand. All right, here we go. This is it. See how she works. Fold down, folds it out, push the button down, fold it out. There you go. All right, looking good. Here's the button. So fold it up. Knees fold up too. Folding, shove it in your backpack, unfold it, the button down, open, close, it locks automatically, adjust accordingly.
It's an A-frame universal guitar stand for acoustic and electric guitars. It's three-way adjustable with settings to accommodate most guitar shapes, which it really doesn't. It's lightweight, durable, it's got metal construction, no assembly needed. Soft foam arms and the backrest to protect your guitar, which it really doesn't. Folds flat for convenient transport and storage, no slip rubber feet. It's sort of sturdy, kinda, but if you hit the headstock, that guitar is going flying and smashing onto the floor. It's not a bad shape, but if those bottom arms weren't welded onto the frame, I'd be able to adjust them and I'd be able to fit all my guitars onto them, but I can't. So that's kind of a deal breaker for me. As you can see, the ESP LTD, there's no way it's gonna sit on this stand, no matter what I could do. That was barely sitting on there. Nope. Same goes to my ESP FRX E2, just couldn't sit on there properly.
Nope, feel it almost hit the table, it's not lining it up. I barely trust that, it's like one finger, it's like a half an inch under there for space at this setting. It's not lining up in the center here. There's nothing preventing this from sliding back and forth. No, and then it slides right back down to this position. And what's it hitting? The guitar is hitting the side of the frame here. Nope, not on that setting. Let's try the next setting in. See if there's any difference. Nope, this is not working for this. Thank God I have hooks. It's not really a universal guitar frame, as you can see. Just take a good look at how off-center that is, where the neck is, where the top of the A-frame is, and the guitar is just going to sit there to the left of it, like basically hanging off the edge. Not cool, not good. What do you expect for the cheapest universal guitar holder, floor holder out there? I could have built one better with wood. This is the only guitar where it's lining up right in the middle because everything is symmetrical. Of course, they should have just sold this as holds normal shaped bodies and flying V's, because you can adjust it. It has 3 adjustment settings, like fully open in the middle and narrow, and then fully closed. So you got 3 settings that you can use for flying V's and other strange type of shapes, but that's about it. At this setting, it's just not enough clearance. Let's open it up to the full setting. Now let's see where we stand. All right, it's a little bit better now. There's at least a couple inches underneath each side here. Absolutely holds a flying V, no problem. Fits symmetrically into the holder. None of my other guitars really do, except my normal shaped guitar. For a guitar like this, all the way open is too wide. It's just too wide because it's gonna slide down and move around in there. You gotta narrow it down. Try the second setting. In the middle, that's all I want is it to be in the middle. Alright, that's not so bad. It works, doesn't feel like it's gonna flop over easily. There's definitely a big lean on that. More lean than I'm used to. I don't like how much lean there is there. As you can see, there's no other way to put this in here. You can try to rest it like this, and it's a little more straight, but it's just gonna, if you knock it, it's gonna slide down. You know, it just kind of wants to slide down into there. So you gotta just keep it just like this, and right now, this rubber pad right here is doing no good as the body of my guitar is hitting the top of this plastic piece, the rubber piece. At least it's rubber too, but see, even this isn't really lining up. This should be right in the dead center. Well, let's try the all the way open. Nope, let's try the second close. The body still hits the A-frame. Just doesn't feel as secure as I would want it to feel. That's all. So it's okay.
And yes, the acoustic sits on there perfectly, of course.
So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. This is all we really got. We're just kind of showing off this and how different shaped guitars fit into the Amazon Basics universal guitar holder. So here we are. Thanks. See you in the next video.